Assalamualaikum guys, today I will show you how to enable a blue light filter on your Windows PC. You don't need to install any third-party software. Windows 10 already have this function. So first of all, go to your search bar and type night light. Click on it. So here is a button. Click over here and it will turn on. You can choose the strength of your blue light filter over here. As you can see, you can set a schedule for this blue light filter. There are two options, sunset to sunrise, or you can choose your own hours for this. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you.